want you to see how fast this travels.
Damn. It's real in the battlefield, baby. Look at this.
Are you ready, Doug?
Yeah.
Just line me up. Just line me up. You ready?
I'm ready.
On 3.
1, 2, 3. Ah, sh
Not right here, Chris. The ambulance right here.
Where's the ambulance? Get it out!
It's Manny. There's only plan A or none.
Yeah. But to show you that it is a real nail gun, Nick, if you can load and show them your magic. I guess before I do that, let's aim down.
Yeah.
If I could have just 3 volunteers to see that the nail gun is real, go ahead, you can come out. Nick, just lay it on. Let them see that it is real. Now it's kind of loud, alright?
This is absolutely insane.
Yes, it is.
Real nails.
As you can see, real nails.
Okay, no nail here. Now we have a nail, one more. All right, fantastic.
Let me get 2 more volunteers. 2 more, 2 more.
Anybody willing?
Come on out. Just let everybody know, my hand's completely empty. Completely empty?
No, he's got his hands full. Lying.
Check his pants.
They clean.
Aside from my wallet, completely empty.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, dear Jesus.
You didn't give me 3. Count. Count 3. Oh, I need 3. Come on.
Careful. Come on, Manny, be careful. Please be careful, Manny.
Let's see Chris Angel do that.